Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very famous Bengali dessert, Bhapa Doi, a creamy steamed yogurt delicacy that melts in your mouth. And to make it extra special, I'll be showing you not one but two flavors. First, take a large mixing bowl and place a big sieve on top. I'm using 750 grams pack of yogurt. Pour the whole pack over the sieve. Now cover it with a plate and place some weight on top so the excess water drips out. What we want is only the thick creamy part. You can use a muslin cloth instead of a sieve. Just tie the yogurt in it and keep a weight over it. Let this rest for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you'll see the yogurt has become nice and thick. Just discard the water and transfer the thick yogurt into a mixing bowl. Now take a can of condensed milk and pour it in. I used approximately 250 ml. Gently mix until the mixture turns smooth, silky and creamy. Since I'm making two flavors today, I'm dividing the yogurt mixture into two portions. Take half of it into another heat-resistant bowl. For the first flavor, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Whisk it really well so it dissolves completely and there are no lumps left. Now cover the bowl tightly with an aluminum foil. On the gas, place a pressure cooker and pour some water into the base. Put a steel stand inside and carefully place the yogurt bowl on top. Cover with the lid. Remove both the rubber sealing ring and the pressure valve. This way, it works just like a steamer. Cook on low heat for at least 45 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can definitely use a deep pan with a fitted lid. For the second flavor, I'm using a small ripe and sweet mango. Blend it into a smooth golden pulp and gently fold it into the yogurt mixture. Transfer this into another heat-resistant bowl. Cover it the same way and steam it in a pan with water at the base. And there you go, our Bengali pudding dessert is ready. Mango or Bhapa Aam Doi and Jaggery or Gurer Mishti Doi. Both are creamy, rich and absolutely melt in mouth. Enchant your taste buds with this famous Bengali delight. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.